Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a large drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch before beginning any work to prevent burns. Next, carefully position your drain pan and completely drain the old coolant from the radiator and engine block. This crucial step prepares your vehicle for the new radiator installation. Now, let's get that old radiator out. Begin by disconnecting both the upper and lower radiator hoses, being mindful of any residual coolant. Next, carefully remove the fan shroud and detach any electrical connectors, such as those for the cooling fans. Finally, unbolt the radiator from its mounting brackets and gently lift it out of the engine bay. Take your time to avoid damaging other components. With the old radiator removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully lower the new radiator into the engine bay, ensuring it seats correctly in its mounting points. Secure it firmly with the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect all radiator hoses, making sure they are clamped tightly, and reattach any electrical connections, including the fan shroud. Double-check every connection for a snug fit. Almost done. Now, refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically around 15 quarts for a full system. Start the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature, keeping an eye on the coolant level and bleeding any trapped air. This ensures proper circulation and prevents overheating. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your engine bay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.